Hey you guys, today I wanted to show you the cutest traveling bag that I've ever seen. It's in this dark blue shade and the material is super nice. It's a traveling bag, and honestly I could tell whoever designed this put their time and thoughts into this because there is so much organization, so much storage. I honestly think whatever you put in here, you'll be able to find it as soon as you look. It's so nice, and I'm going to show you kind of what it looks like in the inside and then what you can fit in here and how it looks. So now I'm going to show you guys kind of what it looks like on the inside. Okay, here's the bag, and right away in the front it comes with a little zipper and a pocket that goes all the way to the bottom, so it's super spacious. And it also has this piece where you can tighten it. Then the inside, in the back over here, has the big pockets for computers, probably iPads, whatever you want. And it comes with this so that you could just strap it. And then it comes with these two storage places right here. You could fit whatever you want in here. And then on the side also, there's another pocket right here like this, and in here you can probably put a water bottle. I have a 30-ounce water that I'm going to try putting in there just to show you how big it is. And then lastly over here, it's another pocket with a zipper this time, and you could also probably fit an iPad in here. So this is the storage inside the bag, and then of course you just have the open space. And then on the back of the bag, there's just this for design. And then on each side, it has huge pockets that can fill water bottles up to 40 ounces. So I'm going to put my water bottle in all three of these just to show you how big they are. Okay, here's the bag, and here is my water bottle. It also has this handle, which makes it a little bigger. So I'm just going to put it inside the bag. And just like this, push all the way down. And it fits super nice, and it's not too tight, so it could fit even bigger ones. And then it also fits on the inside because this is actually stretchy. And it fits like that. Super nice and snug, which just shows you how big these pockets are and how much space is in here. So now I'm gonna completely fill this. And one more thing I forgot to mention about this bag is it comes with another mini one with this little handle, and I'm guessing in here you could put passports, mini toiletries. So I'm gonna finish up the bag with filling it, and I'll be back. This is a view of the top of everything that I fit, just to show you. I won't take out everything, but this is like a 400-page book, my water, my laptop, and then in here I have like a little kit, portable charger, and there's still so much space. So here's the top view, and I'm going to show you it on a suitcase. One last thing I want to mention about this bag is that you can wash it and put it into the dryer because of the material, so it's safe to wash and dry. But overall, I really like this bag because it's super fashionable, it's organized, it has so many sockets for organization, and it holds lots of things, so it's super spacious. But I really like this bag, and I think you guys would too. But thank you for watching.